Is your phone battery draining faster than before? 80% of people do not know why, and they are the cause. We all charge our phones to 100%. Seeing 100% feels good, right? But inside, the lithium cells are slowly dying. Look at the screen. This one setting will keep your phone fresh for the next few years. It is not magic. It is pure science. Let's go straight to the phone screen. Swipe up from the bottom of your home screen. You can see all your apps here. No rush, just follow the steps slowly. It is okay if your phone interface looks a bit different. Now find the Settings app from your list. It is the one with the gear or wheel icon. Give it a tap. We are now inside the main control center of the phone. This is where the magic to increase your phone's life starts. Before we go to the main settings, we have to do something very important. Scroll down a bit and look for Software Update. Go in there. Now click the Download and Install button to check if your phone has the latest version. Old software often cannot manage the battery well, so checking this is a must. After checking for updates, press the back arrow at the top left to return to the main settings page. Now start scrolling down again. Look for an option called Battery. All our solutions for today are hidden inside this small menu. Tap on it without delay. Did you enter the battery menu? There are many things here, but we only need one thing. We will go all the way to the bottom. Look for an option called Battery Protection or Charging Protection. If your phone is a Samsung or a newer Android, you will find it easily. Click on it. Did you find the option? Now enter the battery protection section. You will see a toggle button at the top of the screen that is currently off. Click it to turn the switch on. That's it. One click, done. Your phone's battery health was just protected. Now look towards the bottom. There are a few modes here. Select the maximum option directly. It clearly says the phone will stop charging automatically after reaching 80%. Samsung itself says this one setting can double battery life. Because of this, the battery cells will never face extra stress. Believe me, this will reduce the risk of your battery swelling to zero. Your work is done. Now sleep without worry, even if you charge it all night. If you feel 80% charge is not enough for your whole day, you can set it to 85%. Give this video a like if it helped. It really helps me. And if you don't subscribe to fix your apps, you will miss these tips. See you in the next video. Stay well.